Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the best edger blade for lawn care maintenance. Wait till the end to know which is our best recommendation from the list. Our list begins with Stens 375-311 star-shaped edger blade. This incredibly sturdy and high-performing edger blade is designed to meet all the specific needs for any heavy-duty edging applications. It has 4 cutting edges, which are designed to produce an elegant and smooth cut every line. Aside from that, the blade has a thickness of 0.90 inches and a center hole that is ½ inch in diameter. While the blade comes unsharpened, the shape of this blade allows you to track closer to the sidewalk for clear-cut results. We cannot forget to mention that the Stens blade is durably constructed to last longer than 1 season. It's easy to install and fits nearly all edger models. When edging, however, you need to always ensure that you're wearing a protective face mask and safety goggles. Copperhead Rotary 6477 Edger Blade. This high-performing blade is compatible with Stihl, Maruyama, Echo, and Green Machine Edger, and is highly affordable compared to several other blades within its class. It is one of the best blades for carrying out light-duty edging applications. While the fact that these Copperhead Rotary blades come unsharpened may be an inconvenience to some, it significantly enhances the blade's power. Considering all its specs, we can deduce that this 4-pack of rectangular flat edger blades offers consistently good performance and cuts beautifully. However, it may not be as durable as the rest of the blades on our list. MTD Genuine 3-part Side Edger Star Blade. Beyond its shape, this 2-pack of 3-sided star edger blades is the most ideal option for anyone who seeks to do some edging work alongside a paved area that is invaded by unwanted grass or weeds. It's compatible with edgers from MTD, Husky, White Outdoor, Troy-Bilt, Boland's, Yardman, or Yard Machines. As long as any of your edgers require a 9-inch blade with a 5/8-inch center hole, the biggest advantage of these blades is that they last longer, and they edge the grass on your lawn and dig a finer patch with the star-shaped design. All you have to do is ensure that you have tightened the blade nut securely before use to avoid the blade from coming out of the shaft. Garden Ninja Lawn Edger Blade. This is one of the most sought-after blades for lawn care maintenance. It's the most ideal option for anyone looking to edge weeds on their lawn or flower beds. It offers a sure and dependable fit and has an amazing design. Its flat body and scooped edges with star-shaped points actively contribute to its top-tier cutting performance. It cuts about 1.5 inches deep, and the blade is about 1/8 inch wide. All things considered, these blades do a superb job. They cut really easily and last a while, as long as you do not hit the pavement too often. Unfortunately, they are not compatible with all edgers in the market, but this does not rule out its high-performing nature. Greenworks Replacement Lawn Edger. This 7.5-inch heat-treated edger blade, and it's a popular choice among lawn, garden, and patio owners. While its length is much shorter than all the other blades on our list, its cutting powers are unmatched. Unfortunately, it's not compatible with any other edger, except the Greenworks 29182 edger. One of the greatest advantages of this blade is that it cuts smoothly and fits very well. Also, you would be greatly impressed by how easy it is to install this blade on your edger. Some users have complained that this blade wears away pretty fast and may not last them a season. However, it still works like a charm. Which is the best one? The Stens 375-311 Star Edger Blade Lesco 050568 is the best edger blade for lawn care maintenance because it stays on the groove and does a fantastic job of edging. The cut is so much cleaner that there is absolutely no comparison. It allows you to track closely and seamlessly along concrete edges without bouncing out at any point through the edging process. That automatically results in a cleaner cut and less wear on the blades. All in all, the quality of the edging job offered by this Stens Star Edger Blade makes all of the safety cautions worthwhile. That's all for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and let us know which video you would like to see next from us.